Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Windy app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to show for the we're at start up. So then you click on this sign here. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.